Hold up, before you scream Google VO3 or Hedra did this, calm down. This masterpiece was made with free AI, not some secret anime lab. Stick around, I'm out here exploring nature, but don't get twisted. This ain't no Google VO3 or Hedra magic. This was cooked up with free AI, raw and real. Now sit back, let Jay blow your mind.
Alright, so the videos you just saw now are all generated using a free AI tool. Yes, I'm going to bust your bubble in this video because I know some of you might be thinking, oh, this is generated with a paid tool, or maybe it's generated with Google View 3 or maybe Hedra, because currently now Hedra is no longer free, though you once had a free version, but now is no longer free. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did that, how I generated that particular video you are seeing there using a free AI tool. This information is supposed to be for my student, but I say no, let's not be stingy, let's share a little. So by the way, my name is John Francis. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. And yes, important announcement. Do you want to get access to my course and mentorship where I guide you on how to edit videos like a pro using just your smartphone, plus AI and AI animation? Use the link in the description box to get in contact with me. And yes, the course and mentorship is not free. So let's get started. So this website is completely free. It's a website by Chinese. It's a Chinese website. It's an open source AI. You can go there and generate your videos. Alright, so now I'm going to be heading to ChatGPT to generate the images that we need. Yes. So after generating the image, we head on to this site that allows you to do stuff for free. When I say for free, as of the time I'm shooting this video, I'm recording this video, this particular website is completely free. I know some of you might still argue in the comment section, but you're free to do so. But just know that as of the time I'm shooting this video, this website is completely free. And also, I also advise you not to skip any part of this video, because if you skip any part of this video, I promise you that you are coming back to this particular video. So do not skip any part of this video for your own good. And by the end of this video, I'm going to be revealing some hacks for you on how to use this particular free website. All right, so let's get started. Let's head on to my phone and I'll go to ChatGPT. All right, so now welcome to my phone. This is ChatGPT. I'll be going to ChatGPT to generate the two images that we're going to be using for this particular tutorial. So let me open ChatGPT. Alright, so now I'm going to be generating an image. One is going to be for just voice over lip syncing, and one is going to be music. Let's see the accuracy that this particular free AI has. Let's see what we can do with a free AI. Let's see even if free AI can lip sync a music. So let's get started. So I'll generate a man in, okay, let's say generate a man taking a selfie in a modern sitting room. Don't add the camera. Don't add the camera. Image ratio 16:9. Alright, so one thing with your prompt is that, like, this particular prompt is very simple. Like, a lot of people are struggling with their prompt. What do I write? What do I do? What do I like? Prompt is very simple. That imagination, that thing you have in your head, just type it down and ChatGPT is going to generate it for you. So you don't need to be stressing yourself thinking, where do I get a specific prompt to do this or do that? That imagination, that specific thing you want in your head, just type it down. You can see that this my prompt, it has the man and the type of scene I want the person to be in. If I want it to be more detailed, I can still go in details, but I just want a simple prompt that will give me what I want. So I'll just hit on generate. Alright, so now ChatGPT is going to generate our image for us. So let's wait. Alright, so this is the image that ChatGPT generated for us. You can see it here from the prompt I gave it. It generated this image. And don't forget that you can also use your image as a reference. Like if you want to use yourself, just click here and add your own image. Then use it to generate. So, but I don't want to use, I just want to generate a random image and do this tutorial. Alright, so now I'm going to be generating another one. It's going to be a woman. So I'll be like, generate a woman taking a selfie in a modern music studio. Don't add, sorry, don't add the camera. Then image ratio, please always add this. Sometimes ChatGPT just give you random ratio, so it depends on the kind of video you are creating, the platform you are creating the video for. If it's YouTube, always use 16:9. So I'll hit on generate, and you can also specify whether you want it to be dark, short, fair skin, light skin, chocolate. Depends. Like I said, I just want a simple and easy prompt. And the prompt you are using, like, you should know that imagination, that description that you need, always specify. Always specify. You don't need to stress yourself with prompts. Alright, so let's wait for ChatGPT to generate this image for us, and then we head on to this particular website. Alright, so we have the second image. You can see it here just using my prompt. Alright, so like I said before, you can still go in details if you like. If you want it to have light skin, dark skin, fair skin, pointed nose, flat nose, everything, just specify. Alright, so you might be wondering, why did I generate two images? One in a sitting room and one in a music studio. Okay, for the one of the sitting room, we are going to be using it for just to check the lip syncing of this particular website. And the second one, we are going to be using it for a music. So let's see the accuracy of this free AI. Alright, so let's go to this website. Alright, so this is the website. It's called Hunyuan.tencent.com. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. It's a Chinese platform. It's an open source AI where you can generate videos, lip syncing videos. Like you can see, I've generated a lot of videos here. So, and you might be wondering, why is my phone screen like this? Yes, this website currently, it doesn't support mobile phones. Yes, it doesn't support mobile phone. And you will say, okay, but Jay, you are recording this on a mobile phone. Calm down. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I did all this. So currently, it only supports PC. But I said no. People that are using mobile phones shouldn't be left out on this update. Alright, so stick around because by the end of this video, I'll show you how to use mobile phone to access this particular website. And yes, if you leave this video now and rush to this website, you are going to get confused and you come back, because this particular website is a Chinese website. So if you go there, the language you're going to be seeing there is going to be Chinese. Alright, so I think I've said too much. So let's get started. Now, on this website, you can see here, you can either enter your prompt, like the text you want the image to say, or you can upload an audio. So for me, I'll be going with the option of uploading an audio, because if you go with the text option, like to use some of their voices, the accent is going to be a Chinese accent. So, and I don't like that. So I already have my audio. You can use 11 labs to generate the audio. And yes, you can only generate a 14 seconds video using this particular website. I like to go in details with my video so that someone will not go in my comment and start cursing me. Alright, so let's get started. Now I'm going to upload my audio. I'll switch it to audio. I'll click upload my audio now. Alright, so now my audio is uploading. Now I'll also upload my image. Your audio should not exceed 14 seconds. Even if your audio exceeds 14 seconds, the website is going to cut it to 14 seconds. So here I will upload my image now. So the image I'll be uploading is the first one, the man in a modern background sitting room. So now my image is uploading. Alright, so now I've uploaded my image. What I'm going to do is to hit on generate, which is this button below here. I'll hit on generate and it will start generating the image for us. And yes, I may be leaving the link in the description box, or I may not, but I'll try to leave the link in the description box. So I'll hit on generate now. Now it's going to start generating. You can see text in Queen. So it's going to start generating our image now. After that, I'm going to generate the second one, which is going to be the one that is singing. Let's see how it goes. So let's wait. Alright, so guys, the video is generated. At first, when I tried to generate, I had this error message which says that the server is temporarily down. Please try again later. So I just regenerated 3 at once and I got this message. I'm like, my village people. So all I did was I minimized my phone and then I opened the site again and boom, we have our video. Why I'm showing this is so that you can know that this is AI. You can also get error messages. Don't expect everything to just go like that. Though this is my first time of getting error message. You can see the ones I've generated before. So I've not gotten any error message before. So but just have it in mind that once you are using a free tool, just have glitch in your mind. I'm showing this in my videos. I don't want to cut it out so you can see. For those that will go to my comment section and talk rubbish. Anyways, this is the video. Let's play the video and see what we have.
Can you believe AI generated? And yes, subscribe to J channel if you haven't.
Alright, so I'm going to download this video. Once I download it, I'll also play it. Now let's generate the second one. I'll upload the audio. This is where to upload the audio, and this is where to drop the image. So I believe that we are not going to have any glitch again. I also think that is from my network as well. I don't know. Now I'll upload the audio for the second one, which is going to be a music. I want to see how it goes. Alright, so I'm uploading the song now. So I'm just going to upload the image as well. This is the image. Now I'm uploading both the song and the image. So now both our audio and image is uploaded. So I'll just hit on generate. And now it's generating below. You can see it here. You can see it here. It's generating. So ignore this one. If you have this error message, just minimize and refresh. That's all. The mistake I did was that I didn't minimize. I just went and generated 3 at once, and they said that the server is temporarily down. I just minimized and uploaded it again, and boom, we have our video. So if you have this error message, minimize your phone, minimize, and you do it again. It's going to work. Just have it in mind that once you are using a free stuff, also be prepared for glitch. All right, so let's wait for this one to generate. All right, so our second video is ready. This is the video below here. So I'll play it now so you can see, and I'll also download it and play the downloaded version so you can see for yourself. And if you notice, we didn't have any error messages or anything. It was on the first one that we had error messages. So just have it in mind that our free tools have glitch. So, and I'll advise you to, if you have a PC, then use a PC for a smoother experience. All right, so let me play the video so you can see how it is. So by the way, this is a music video. The skies turn gray, but the sun will shine to light your way. Keep your head high, don't lose your fight. Through the darkest storms. Alright, so I'm going to play the downloaded version now so you can see. So the rain might pour, the skies turn gray, But the sun will shine to light your way. Keep your head high, don't lose your fight. Through the darkest storms. Alright, so if you notice, there is a watermark at this place, so but that shouldn't be an issue. Removing a watermark is quite simple. Just use one of the watermark removal. If you don't know one, the video I made about AI music, I talked about watermark, removing watermark in that video. So if you haven't watched that video, go and watch that AI music. Let me play the first one so you can also see it as well.
Can you believe I'm AI generated? And yes, subscribe to J channel if you haven't.
Alright, so this is the first one. So we just generated these two videos using a free AI tool. Like these two videos are all generated using a free AI. Alright, now let me give you the bonus tip for those that watch this video to this point. Alright, if you notice, I'm using a mobile phone to do this, but this website currently supports only PC. Only PC. I don't know if that's the reason why I got this error message, though this is my first time I've got getting this error message. If you look, you can see that I've generated a lot of videos using this particular website. This is my first time of getting an error message, but it's good though, so you can also know that free stuff always have glitch, so have that in the back of your mind. All right, now this is how to do it. If you're using Chrome, I advise you to use Chrome. Reason is, this particular website is in Chinese language. Unless you can understand Chinese, like you can read it and understand it. But if you are like me that only understands English and my native language, this is what you do. Use Chrome for this. Click on at this top bar. At this top bar, click on it. You can see translate. Mine is already on, so that's why it's in English. If it's not on, then let me show you. This is translate. So first of all, you need to switch to desktop site. This is desktop site. You can see that my own is on desktop site. Then once you switch to desktop site, you translate. You use this translate, and it's going to translate that Chinese to English. If not, you won't understand what you are doing. I hope you got value from this video. If you got value, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button if you got value. This is Jen Francis here. See you guys on the next video. Peace out. Thanks for watching.